Welcome, in front of me is a SAMSUNG Galaxy A22, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So obviously we're going to open up settings. From here you want to scroll down to general management, select reset, and choose erase all data, or in here it's factory data reset. And once you tap on it, it does give you an information of what this will remove. So probably things worth mentioning would be things like your pictures, music, downloaded apps, user data, along with, well, things like accounts and stuff like that. But obviously accounts can be re-logged in, but what you won't be able to get back is things like photos, music, and user data if you remove this without backing it up. So if you want to keep it, do back it up beforehand. Now, assuming you have already done it, or you just don't want to, then select reset. If you have some kind of protection on your phone, some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. And then select delete all, and this will begin the process. Now this will take probably a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.